Alright guys, in today's Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to warp some text into this circular shape. The most important part of this is actually knowing where your knife tool is, which I always lose. It is under your eraser tool. So if you don't see it, go to your eraser tool, hold down your mouse button, and it will be under there. I'm going to use this tool to actually cut this circle so that I can have multiple words fit in this circular shape. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag across here. When you do that, this is actually turned into two different shapes. I have my direct selection tool selected for some reason. Anyway, we have two different shapes. If Illustrator would actually cooperate with me, there you go. So after you do that, what you want to do is actually type out the text you want to use. And I'm going to type the word text. I'm probably going to change it to impact because I like that impact is a very bold font. I'm going to click on text, I'm going to hold down Alt, and then I'm going to drag it down here so we have two different text boxes, and I'm going to type out the word shape. Alright, now that that's done, you want to select your shape. You can do this before all the text as well. You want to make sure you go to Arrange and Bring to Front. If you don't have your shape in front, this will not work properly. So I'm going to select my first text box and my top shape by holding down Shift. I am going to go down here to Envelope Distort, and I'm going to go to Make with Top Object, and it will warp that text for you into the shape that you created. I'm going to do the same thing with the text and the second shape as well. Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. What's really cool that I just noticed by accident is this text is still editable, so if you double click into the text, make sure your text is highlighted or selected, because sometimes that part doesn't work properly. I'm going to go to my text tool and I'm going to type out the word heart because I think it will fit well. I'm going to close down this layer envelope, and then it says text heart. If you wanted to work with text individually, like each letter, and not have it editable, all you would have to do is expand this. If you do want the text editable, just leave it like it was. If you wanted to work with these as individual shapes, you just need to expand them. So we're going to go to expand, and we're going to click OK, and then you can work with these individually. It is going to end up being a nested group, so you might have to ungroup it a few times, or you can use your direct selection tool. Anyways guys, it's about that easy. Make whatever shape you want, cut it into pieces, and then make with top object, and it will warp that text for you. Anyways, if you have any other questions about this, please leave me a comment below. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!